Hello, and welcome to Stained Glass Coloring Secrets. I'm Lisa Mitrakin, the artist behind this coloring course and the founder of our Creative Academy. And I'm thrilled to have you here. Whether you're a seasoned colorist or just starting your creative journey, you're in the right place. In this course, I'll be sharing my passion for the mesmerizing stained glass coloring style as we work together on an intricate Art Nouveau page that I've hand-drawn just for this occasion. Now, you might be thinking, isn't stained glass just for church windows? Oh, but it's so much more than that. The stained glass effect is a stunning coloring technique that can transform any artwork into a true masterpiece. Throughout this course, I'll reveal my favorite shading secrets and color selection strategies to help you create realistic stained glass textures and light effects that will make your coloring pages come alive. I've chosen the Art Nouveau style for our project because with its flowing lines and nature-inspired designs, it's simply perfect for practicing stained glass effects. But the best part is, the techniques you'll learn in Stained Glass Coloring Secrets go way beyond coloring. If you're into drawing, the shading skills we'll cover will be game-changing for your artwork as well. Mastering contrast, blending, and creating the illusion of light shining through glass will take your artistic skills to a whole new level. I've poured my heart into designing this course to be fun, accessible, and rewarding for everyone. I've broken down the process into short, easy-to-follow video lessons, and of course, you have this page available as a download. So just print it out and follow along with me. All you need is a set of trusty colored pencils, any brand will do, and some white or cream paper. White charcoal is optional for those who already own it. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of stained glass coloring with me? If so, grab your pencils and let's get started. I can't wait to see the incredible stained glass creations that you will bring to life by the end of this course. Trust me, this is going to be an amazing artistic journey. Let's do this together.